Hello, my name is Sean and today I'm going to show you how to change a door seal on this Indesit washing machine. But before we start, please make sure you've isolated the appliance from the mains. The front of the door seal is held on by one of these band clamps. We're going to locate the spring, which is normally at the bottom of the door seal, and gently prise it off with a small screwdriver. Peel the door seal back to expose the spring and gently leave the spring out all the way round. Now peel the door seal back from the front of the panel all the way round. And now I'm going to remove the lid. It's held on at the back by two Phillips screws. Give the lid a little bit of a nudge back, like that. With the lid removed, you can see that the door seal is held securely with a retaining spring here. Right, we just move the drum back slightly to get a little bit more room. Get a small screwdriver and gently prise the spring out all the way around. Now we can simply lift the door seal away from the outer tab all the way around. Bring in the pull. And here is the old door seal. As you can see, it's become quite mouldy. And here we have the new door seal. On this particular model you have a pointer at the top and also one at the bottom just below the three drain holes. You also have the top pointer here on the outer tab. Not all models have the indicators to line up. Just make sure that the drain holes are located at the bottom to take all the water away. Now we're going to fit the new door seal. We're just going to feed this door seal all the way around on this bottom lip here. Now I'm going to place the door seal roughly in position through the door porthole. Now if we line up the locator at the top, and just gradually work our way around the lip like that. Now we're going to roll the door seal inside itself so I can fit the band clamp. Right, we just put the band clamp over the door seal there in position and gently work our way around. Now we simply unflip the door seal like so. Now we're going to place the door seal over this lip here, roll it back and just feed it round. Inside, all the way round. Now we're just going to refit the band clamp in this lip here. Just feed it all the way around, like that. Now if we refit the lid, and that is how you change a door seal on an Indesit washing machine. Spares for washing machines and all appliances are available on the Ransom Spares website. Thank you for watching.